Hi Fitfam, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive new video notifications. Did you know that jumping rope is one of the best exercises for weight loss, and that overall it can do more for you than the same time you would spend jogging? Meaning 30 minutes of jumping rope would burn for you more calories than 30 minutes of jogging. On top of that, it is absolutely free and you can do it anywhere at any time. Oh yes, it is not just a sport young girls enjoy. Jumping rope is very beneficial to everyone regardless of age and sex, and this is why. Number one, it promotes reducing of belly fat and general weight loss. Jumping rope is a great workout for the whole body, and it promotes burning of calories. It works on almost every part of the body and can help you burn up to 700 calories per hour. Number two, it strengthens the heart and the lungs. Jumping rope is one of the best cardiovascular exercises. It will help strengthen the cardiac muscle and increase lung capacity, and hence help to prevent diseases associated with the organs. Number three, jumping rope will help you increase stamina and will help you keep energized the entire day. This is because it allows your muscles to store more oxygen. Number four, it promotes release of toxins from your body through increased perspiration. This aids cleansing of the internal organs and will also promote a youthful, glowing skin. Number five, skipping or jumping rope will strengthen and tone your muscles, especially the hands, shoulders, back and leg muscles. Number six, it improves coordination. The ability to skip the rope with your feet together with the use of your hands helps to improve your brain and body coordination. Number seven, it strengthens the feet and ankles. Jumping rope prevents injury of the feet and ankles by strengthening the muscles in the areas. This is very helpful, especially for athletes. Number eight, jumping rope increases bone density, as was shown in a 2009 study in Japan. However, if you have had fractures in the past or a history of osteoporosis, please check with your physician before you consider trying out the exercise. Number nine, it improves memory. According to the Jump Rope Institute, jumping rope aids development of the brain, which makes you more mentally alert, makes you smarter, and improves reading skills. Number 10, and lastly, it promotes release of endorphins, which elevate moods and relieve stress. So over to you, my beloved Fitfam. I hope after this video you will get yourself a rope that you can take with you wherever you go for this amazing exercise. And well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media. Let's also connect on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Subscribe for more if you haven't yet, and hit the bell button for notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and do not forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.